Hello, good morning. My name is Denise Esther Contreras Medrano, Activity Unit 1, Angering and Singing. Sentences. I like soccer so much. I like soccer too. It's really fun. I think that but is expensive. So you don't want it because it's beautiful. I don't like this clash. Me neither, it's so boring. It's freezing now, so we need to wear coat outside. Hamburgers are delicious. So, do you do want hamburgers for dinner? I never been in New York. I haven't been there. I don't have visa. My car is broken. I think so. It does to own. I like puppies so much. Yes, me too. They are so cool. The test was right. I don't think so. I didn't understand nothing. I don't like onions. Me neither. They taste terrible. I had unlunched. I haven't lunched either high bad and lot of work. I'm so tired. Yes, me too, but it's good working out. I want to sleep. Me too is already laugh. Today I didn't have breakfast. I like to read me two sides. I watch child that. Thank you.